All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have our ingredients ready to go. We're going to start off with our Malibu coconut rum. We're going 2 ounces of our rum. Next up is the Diet Mountain Dew. 4 ounces is what we're looking for here. And our last ingredient is our Mountain Dew Kickstart Orange Pineapple Mango. We're just going to give it a decent little splash here. Probably about 1.5 ounces, 2 ounces. Going to give this a good shake. Get everything mixed together good. And then you know what time it is. It's time for that all-important taste test. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have to admit this would never be my drink of choice. It was good. It was a nice change of pace. I'd probably have 1, maybe 2 of them. But if you're into this kind of fruity drink, you definitely want to check this one out. But hey, don't take my word for it. Here is this episode's celebrity judge to tell you what they think.
Cheers from the captain. That is mighty fine, Paul. That is mighty fine.